sheki kakra mame she amroni kokomre saminu yauda ode sheki kakra mame she. Kempaluta on this one and he calls it creativity. I like this song so much. Heard me playlist I was through too. I just meet here in the morning. It's good to have you here, brother.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Bibi Aboko. Me who be an many aje. Cause me kai be up him so radio. The first interview I had was Kempaluta.
Really? Yeah.
It wasn't organized. So me kai wa. Na the boy drive time back ha. Na ni show Western Neighbor Saturday. Jona na this entertainment show. Near friend Marcus.
Yeah.
Marcus near the junior.
Yeah.
But Saturday say Marcus I interview I flyer.
Yeah.
Kempaluta Marcus be interview. Me buy na Marcus da ha. Then you so brain oyare. So a brother had to take him home. Me na me the producer. You book interview where we Kempaluta, but what do we do? Marcus Black, we still have to do it. So that was the first time.
Yeah, that was the first time.
Now me on me DJ me say, but hosting that show, no.
Yeah.
That was the first time I hosted it. That was the first time Kempaluta came here, and I had to do the interview. So whenever I see him, and as whenever he comes here now, it's kind of it brings memory back. It's joy.
Yeah.
It's joy.
True,
Ken, say Bibi Aboko.
Bibi Aboko.
Me who say saying so there. Opa ding.
Man, Obiya chimi.
True.
Obiya chimi. What is the one ko Obiya so there Obiya who is the one man there.
What I say.
Intini about it.
And then you say what you feel so na air chon.
Yeah, chon.
It's the good work that you do and that is pulling you up there.
Ejumani there number.
What I say. The last time you came here, now we release me tries me say me can you go.
That was King Size, right? Yeah,
King Size, yeah.
Creativity
was no
EP.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I think now how Las Vegas then in Swaba. Since never. Now I think that verse you put on there. Okay. Yeah, I think so now both and now until we talked about it. King Size EP, it was 3, right?
Yeah, that was 3.
The third King Size EP.
King Size EP.
Okay.
And they be promoting.
Okay.
Yeah.
How did it go? Of course, saying I heard the tracks you put on the EP, the promotion you put in personally, no. Obeka say how did we receive it here in Kumasi?
Because King Size, one of the projects I drop here, it keep me from that level beyond me was our time and it be a different level.
Okay.
So I be quite be I think that sometimes now 100 Las Vegas in Pumba, I think that I can't on the couple in the buyer.
Okay.
What I say? Yeah. King Size EP3 in the Copa, it was so positive, massive.
One question about conversation was sometimes better me carry the last interview we did, no.
Yeah.
Mount Zion.
Yeah, Mount Zion.
And also we've talked about it before.
Yeah, Mount Zion.
Either on phone and answer Obaha.
I said, down. When the bar Zion Felix.
Zion Felix in the bar, rather. Yes. Zion Felix in the bar. And I'm Busan say, oh, particular verse. And he was like, no. Is it business? And the girls still have from home.
Yeah, girls.
Nice. So, after the King Size EP, as you said, it took you to a milestone. You never expel it. It took you there. Afterwards, no. What have Kempaluta been up to?
Okay, so after the King Size EP, you know, also me this kind of guy, I'm always focused on my goal.
Yeah.
So I think say after King Size, you know, you drop it songs up to now. So after King Size now, you were a lot of videos for her. So I say you know. Other projects be what I say
okay. Let's talk about one of my personal favorites, On Board.
On board your personal favorite, yeah.
This is Store Nimuti say.
Yeah, Store Nidia BBR cause I quite been here so I for live. But BBR you cool.
I was say Store na BBR woman, what is it?
BBR woman stubborn store. That's all. But let me say you renovate every baby. You didn't kind of one. I come back before from.
Okay.
Right now you move about roadside and casa.
Okay.
So
okay.
I'm for being a vibe.
Okay. Personally, On Board Moon Seminar.
Yeah.
A baby Drew says store no store one. We be a woman. Now me say my her store.
Store. Yeah. Oh yeah,
I just wanted to see the store.
I just
wanted to see the store. Kempaluta will be a store. Be a woman.
Yeah. Stubborn store.
I just love it. Me take creativity. Yeah, I go to on board.
Yeah, on board.
And it's a came now the driver crowd there and I say,
oh, you're crazy.
So Manchester on also
yeah crowd about the PC movie free baby because now I one corner.
Okay.
The PC movie free on the bar roadside.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. As you said, after the King Size EP, you had a lot going on.
Lots.
You brought out a whole lot of singles after it.
After the EP, yeah.
Okay. You see, Mami Busa, before we go, any EP coming and I say any album coming from your camp?
Album for 2023, yeah, per se drop your album because also yeah EP not check.
Yeah.
EP1, EP2, EP3.
Yeah.
And 2023 has been a good year.
Yeah.
And in per se the album about 2023 because also you run 2023, me imagine say me change sa old Kimpaluta style,
Yeah.
sa rap throughout. Right now me rap on the now me try say me the hook be related to a man for a be real.
Yeah.
And then a man kofa me new single na my drop and then I'm maybe on the buy.
Okay.
It's sanity.
Okay. There's been this conversation say dream music I'll buy near can once.
Yeah.
More shall say you more dream music, as a more say to tumu. The originality and more the chassis, as you said, the Kimpaluta we knew. If you rap way back, drill by you infused in it, and you've been going. So say as you said, you are adding new things to it. There's this conversation, someone I'm say to tumu, and I said, would you say one I'm to tumu, and I say the trend that is going on that you need to adopt for your music to go out there?
All I would say is music as a sound. They used to say it's a music dynamic.
Yeah.
As a sound all the time.
Yeah.
You think say you better drill now, crowd drill now here in 2020. No, you need to start drill in 2023.
Yeah.
Because they are you see there all the time and the money be back home. So I said the first no we see R&B, 2000s, and yes I know more by and as 1990s.
I'll tell you more.
R&B 2000s.
Chris Brown by now
but nothing at the end of the day R&B. So I say so I think it's my best Sunday, but still not the same genre now.
Okay, and there's this conversation says in Nigeria for any we are more drill no.
Me call me the name on power Nigeria for more drill or more hit song or drill.
But then the conversation has started.
I don't know the reason why Nigerians want to claim say Omona the drill about Africa. And I say, I'm going to first or multi-me, but no, Ghanaians. Because before, after Pop Smoke died, in Kumasi for, it was us, Kumasi for near the drill, no, across the borders near at the Adingina. And I don't know, prove no, so I don't know the reason why our movie many actually say, Nigerian drill artists be meet me right now. But I think so more on the man or meet me because you are talking money boys in the performance. So I don't know the reason why I meet me and claim it. I think say you lose talk. Maybe I'm more feeling like just claiming it, but me improve be meet me approve is
okay.
I don't think so.
Kimpaluta so take no maybe say more on there. I want us to concentrate on you. But then Kimpaluta, her way back or start here 2019 more nyina collectively baby I'm page the Ghanaian drill 2023 I fast forward here say Grammy say he say we accept and we create a new category the Ghanaian drill ni woman no what say the news no how did you feel?
It was crazy because it makes you feel like sweats now and now your sweats now has been recognized. What I say, so it's like I feel like we are so proud and I say we are so glad to say etimi akoko piesa because we be able to me and yaniti the demos aside so what I say imagine second Kimpaluta na me drill be akori Grammy what I say and no you start here you be see airport on camera so what I say
organizing committee no grandpa am chairman
what I say
oh yeah but float to organizing committee per crime
chairman so that is the whole thing I think that Juma de Oye na say you recognize you Juma Oye that is the best feeling ever. So what I say so I felt say your contribution has been paid off has paid off
that's nice and as you said it has paid off now it will pay off more
sure.
Eventually winning it regardless of the obekwa ba kwakwaja baby the Ghanaian drill wins
sure
Paluta emra enim Paluta din wo hodada you have good rappers or talented rappers or superstar rappers in Ghana doing their own music, doing their own verses, you would hear Kimpaluta. They keep mentioning your name. It's a Kimpaluta ebe drop some enyom. Yete ya Kimpaluta say a hit. Kasandi will be a to me born you must new way a hit. Or no account. Yeah. But eventually you drop your hit. And I hit. The first ya hit because me say why like two remixes to it. The first one no. What was the then amount they sang on the buy and why even title it Ya Hate? Because it's a song that you're bringing out there will be anti.
Yeah.
Why did you even title it that and I did the song on the buy?
I don't think I really planned to drop a song Ya Friend Ya Hate.
Okay.
But I had this idea say I want to change the old Kimpaluta 2023.
Okay.
Sana Mira this year me catch him who say said the Kimpaluta was happy some who get on kind of rapping baby no. What I say because sometimes we go stage Sana no perform cry yeah. Yeah pa obe rappers obi antimi to be new achi. What I say but who could na akoto rapping ya fa oge. Fane yo DP wow easy song and me so steady ade bia hu music no mi say obetimi abe rap ya so I say na obi aba be gina no aye yeah man almost say hey akwa best rapper it's me only say sao prove na o aye o hu kokoti apeso prove you no oh how so I say because music na man for hear message. So what I say, I'm not for hear message, you know. It's in as well, but Starnes be rapping, but someone say no, Jay-Z.
And that's so the best, yeah.
Jay-Z, it's you know, me saw idea and I catch them and say no. And your stage performance, you know, once I saw any money, you saw any money film the 2 year old for say no, go stage, or performing rap songs and I'm on for response to say. Now performing this kind of songs, so I'm on for response to say. So you concentrate on making the commercial songs. Inti sana me sai came home and I'm trying to say me start here and positive because your brand came Kimpaluta with can profane sana no for a very long time. Sana me route 2023 in you know. Me start here me programming me programming a hit beats you know. So the beats you know me go so me programming na airborne sina boy ade about me trimani ye benya sika so I didn't really plan it. Ye benya obasima ne natina omunyayankaya or sit there so ya hit it. That's right. It's the idea about me timano. Okay. And then a man ko fire intimate two nyum ni ni nya tight because you took kusi say so ya hit it. So ya hit it. There is one was the
The first song now you know did you feature anybody on it?
I did it that first one with Kwame Sticker. Yeah.
And the response you got, it was massive.
It was massive. And then my first remix nearby, you know, me kushia mrado, yeah, ma me be ho. Me call no already. And you know, who it was like, oh, so you brother there. Now I video, I want the phone so jam into the original song.
No.
Until one of vibe nearby say any boy any remix. Any remix any if I send them here now, this our vibe nearby. It's me send you, no, we not the verses by the cabo.
There's been this talk say of first remix no nanka enya idea like you really planned on doing it.
Yeah.
But then it happened.
Yeah, me kushi amra do the mass we didn't buy.
And also the buy how was the
crazy
like?
Crazy. And no crowd meet me I say ya hitting the buy no it blew yeah. And now first remix no be blow no crowd.
We blow us.
So it's not like original one never say on him. And first remix no so be magic. And he did the second one so buy. And then also was massive. So you drop it, you know.
Let's talk about the second one.
Yeah.
The starting of it, you had the Godfather himself.
Yeah.
Spitting or saying something on it.
Yeah.
Which Ubia was like, Adia Shasi cry a mix.
Yeah, thank you.
I know Andy Dusty is a Godfather, as you say.
Yeah, sure.
But then how did you get him to, put such words on your song?
Andy Dusty like my music. He's a fan.
Okay.
So that's play me back to back wakra. What say ya hit original one no me the Sunday no. Into who's here be first remix no. And no or catch me no me man be intro. So I say mama. And Oba Kumasi any record is our intro no. Inti ya drop here nyum me wo honom 190 bia na ono afre me say Yo, Ken, I have a surprise for you. And the surprise then why I not Kwame Eugene line so.
Wow.
Even though I know Kwame Eugene, like we've met before,
Yeah.
I performed on one
Yeah.
stage before.
Yeah.
But na me name say
He will show interest in all song or the about
and the dust in a firm is a Kwame Eugene line so. And he was like, bro, when you're not the Abani a banger, I want to do another remix with you. And the Kikabo man here, this our remix in the bias. For the second remix, the Kwame Eugene and Kasane Fresh say, or person Basso.
Me person busa asem, but then me also say I know ba. They all have questions that they would want to ask. But yentie the first one no. With Strong Man and Amrado.
Amrado, yeah, and Stick I am.
Meba.
What you say? Babylon for it.
They say,
We'll be having a real listen to this one. Kojo, Mama Sha say free ho Kempa Luther.
Yeah.
Ken.
Boss.
Oh yeah, Jumapa.
That's a power, baby.
My follow check Accra. And then me shall say me share that check followers of Boom Play.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think so we will see I hate no. Nipa 4,000 now becoming.
Really?
Yeah.
But
I think it's 1.
Wow.
Oh, Boom Play 1.2 million.
Wow.
Seriously, Opa bit my
Maybe
check.
some manager.
Me follow no me pe rap music. Me pe rap music and each and every time piano. You try say ya dear beba. And one thing I me pe on the accent. And the tonation. So or yeah musical. And on your na say we Kumasi wechi. Oko interviews are Kumasi. Send an can caliber na drum nka obi anka ibia. Also one cry.
Mississippi for the unjom.
What
Mississippi unjom hosa.
So you bet that's say we promote Kumasi and on numbers ni so grow in na ye aje ho. Okay. Ya hate. Ken me person busa say this time na say you know oh different level. Me person who say how is the international market treating you this time? Because you are not an ordinary artist and drill music about and this time Grammy and so EDBB Ghana for and answer Africa for international markets there was a here
sure.
So I want to know say this time how is the international market treating you and what are you having for your international fans out there?
Okay, so it's crazy. Since we dropped hits, calls are in your free outside, crazy. Your baby cry, I na ebi wo cry, who is a ebia MY, na ebia was a your botugu. What's I say? Calls about and how they treat us, crazy because we beat me for now. Watch you crack. So that's just like that. Say yo, my you hits in Charlie, big inspiration. Yo, I'm motivated and I says what child baby. What I say? So crazy. Love now, you drop it, respond reaction. Crazy. Me, my dropping your mind, but this particular one, crazy. And I think say near my baby is in the pipeline. You need a bit more did home come. I think say near market see a balance.
Okay. The interman busa asani Nancy Kwame ko US. I think so Kosrana na ma doko. I think bit ma boamia. That woman now twins.
Yeah. Kwame Eugene.
And that woman or numbers. And Kwame so numbers.
Yeah.
Kwame with different teams. Kwame released that. I think so recently Kwame released it.
Yeah, recently.
But woman is share Kwame na na so museum.
Yeah.
Woman anymore they can they hate. And Kwame so responded with the lyrics, everything. I think so make a video on and twins in the crowd on that. So I will urge you to do something about your international fan base.
Yeah.
For us to be on the level I
Matepa. We are really going to work on that.
Okay. Kojo no say
Black.
Kimpaluta is here.
Say me ankasa de me wo family nimu because Kimpaluta say way back 2010.
Yeah.
That time my friend Tewia.
Way back.
That time now we try Mele.
Yeah, Chamele.
And
And Robbie send me picture from that time. No, Aquaro Jamiana.
yeah.
Because
now.
Jammy, me pass him, you know, and your music, me yes, our picture.
Of course.
Guy,
of course.
send me picture to one that be my hair. Me and I'm not
Of course. So
God,
like the consistency, you know, and then a Juma Nebano. Obiabidi dance say Paluta no be true her. But Adeba ne hard drain say I'm say last 4 years or 5 years ago now Paluta betray say they were giant me because na yare kakra ba mu ni attacks bi ni ade ade ma na reho aba nti say you know timi gina na so I was standing here. We have the Paluta we have now, no. A blessings, baby, because see a chef Kumasi, omo betimi edi Kumasi akwecha. He's one of those guys.
Thank you very much.
Untimi nkan yin frimuda.
Yeah.
Na Paluta nyum 2 bi wo ho a. Me pese ye ho remix.
Okay.
Special request.
Yes.
Special request.
Me best songs from him.
Okay.
Number 1 ye Tonga.
Allah.
Allah. Number 1. Sajum lady also remix.
Allah.
Allah.
Number 2 say a fine girl. Fine
Fine
girl,
girl,
friend
Oma. Yeah.
Sanyum 2
Bangers.
also remix ba. But
Matipa.
I must commend Paluta say all Queen no on Jan brothers or so we share Shishi Nabanku ba. The boys were in there. So share even this record Kwame Sticker is a brother to him. Kwame Sticker or the neka home bia your bonyum na your boss sticker edin wom. And now we have one other record say the no muchano get to one hour can say
Wawani.
The boys, yes.
Wawani.
Alaji and all the others were there.
Alaji Bona THE.
Oh, yeah. So we start all corner unja brothers Sophia.
Yes.
At least the growth in no money graboma. Or no so the page artist no nye obia na be sa nipa send it me baby sir. So I must commend him on that. And me catch and say the team no adwuma na no mo ye na omungusu no mo nya adwuma pa mai.
That's about.
Or senso de no or the kin ko way back.
Yeah, way back.
Terry, I'm not kind of Mele.
Watch.
I'm
Mele no.
Wadan any aka the rose ja. Mele be akọ this.
Akọ this name ya Mele o. Andra ya me say me share picture one pe.
Back in the day.
But it's good. I need to commend your team now.
Me
do picture mommy me send them your deputy heads of brands and events on the air flyers no. Who picture no be now?
Wow.
Picture person come new design man who call me. Who picture FSA na me feel you. Or he laughs. Adiebi away and nice. Paluta is not just growing his music. The brand is also growing. I'm gonna make us no cry who you know we feel it. Just the picture itself, not to talk about your music. Which I think is something we need to commend the whole team about. Yahete, the first one was out there, is out there.
It's out there.
First remix so by. The second one.
Crazy.
The second one.
Crazy.
We did 3 personally. Ubeka Semu Diena ne blow up no was so strong for you. I say it has an way oh my back my me no my ensa. But I say back bu ma as an way den do. Ne me ensa o to you na.
Me kan dey here. Ne me ensa dey. The meet me akase. O say nyom na akase gina hook ne so. So what I say. Enti no matter obi verse or whatever to so say obi brand or whatever be gina nyom no so. Nyom
na gidi.
So what I say obi a enti no meet me she dan yi we say but I think say ebia be bru bia so. You drop a original one no or ne dia be so what I say what the way is fat trend dey o YouTube kra ne ade. And you drop a first remix no and also so ebe bro original one no so what I say ebe and also be trendy drew and me say trendy drew be 5th YouTube. And me ne Kwame Eugene dey ne dey ebe and also so be try we ne be trendy be that one that one YouTube for like 3 weeks straight up. And well, into no mean to me, Sri say be away hard, mommy, and now because and you many who say Jina hook now, so but the magic, I think say maybe I work as a community, because we share time now, you had to drop it and then views right now, and they compare the other ones, remix in Ibia, and I said, no matter you're dropping the Ibia, but you're dropping the previous.
So we could say it's been an improvement from first one, second one to the third one. And it's if King Paluta can be Ibia want me some much margin you so. All your first, first one as he was like, me and I'm a that bit as
a beat no.
Yes.
Yeah, me and I'm beat no.
Okay, but as a wide muscle. And this is the King Paluta I love. Okay, farm boy, and I can't a fine girl.
Yeah.
Oh, when you listen to all Disney songs now, is the creativity in it that pulls me to Paluta's music.
Yeah.
And okay, I also or rap now. I say until.
Yeah.
But I would just stay now to able to be.
Yes.
Because we like the flow.
Yes.
We resonate with it.
Yeah.
Paluta, social media. Generally, we all know say it's been a tool that has helped the growth of music.
Yeah.
Yemfa wo ya hiti kakra we ya mfanye. Mbusa Semini and stay within that limit.
Okay.
The likes of TikTok. We heard that he said, I want to skakra na your song won't trend on TikTok. Personally, unya say be. At least did you have a friend come tell you say Oja? Yanko TikTok when you penko for being from more money. Kakrebian so but yeah from more money.
Minyasa kasani video.
And oh yeah.
Davi me me believe it. Enya homa so and enya bibia, but I believe in myself and I believe say because me for a very long time min tuyas kama DJ bia said jine bomenyum min tuyas kavia they just love the music and they are playing it. So what I say, so all the time I'm so appreciate me who say love near natural like Ubia Pekin Palutas. So what I say, and me to me TikTok, beat me. Oh, Nana, mam, ya hit by Obia you see, and Raya Krana Samini Kran, so they are doing video. Obia you see, TikTok ni Benham and go to your man. I believe in that Obiane Hawa, what Juma pursue Juma Banu, we are seeing in fine. So, because you are TikTok now, when he said, no, never a Jumana bar, go to your. So what I say, because. At said the Ubia and one Adrian yes, you can Ubia and the style obesi afa marketing there. So what I say, Ubi the idea about software, Ubi soon the idea about Tamali. It's style obesi I would be a Picama Biana, not why. But me, I don't believe in Sani man, but what you also I think say epic. Okay. But me personally, dear, me mean Tuyama DJ Bia, mean Tuyama, and yes, Bia. Miami who say mean to Yakuti, no, and yes, I had it here. Because we are when him say Kimpaluta and I behind him say, me call me Nilebu, and me win. I mean, since that I about had so I say, and yeah, I hustle near the idea, a push ya, and right now, here, level I about bedroom. So I say, you're starting Kumasi Media Tone, Obia is so proud. Obia, I can show Subia, Obia, who you beginning. It's a said, you can you say about her last 2 years. So, last 3 years, crying about Hanum and we share by journey now. So I say, young people say, or they meet me a canon.
You made mention of say, on phone you be my DJs.
But the mom, but mean to Yasika George, but
then they do the airplay and everything for you. The DJs
fans send the chrome with me.
What I say?
Yes,
the DJs, the is what we term the traditional system of promoting Yenyum. And now we have the social aspect. It be now work on TikTok. Would you say the numbers as you say social media handles no TikTok, Twitter, Munina, Epuli no? Would you say comparing it to the traditional one no? Which one would you say the best?
As for this one, I can't really differentiate. But
me person come
the thing is, right now social media is powerful though. So what I say, because social media no, me radio guy, me obi am per radio tie. What am I say? Me obi am per radio tie. Cause say ma ko chim radio ko per radio tie. So what I say, right now no, I'm on for social media no. Ebi omo do so chen omo tie radio. What I say, but see your boy you go on social media no want to radio so and you enye complete me hit no enye complete. It me hu ni se ni me no nyina hu hia. So what I say, me ntimi sheda nkama we na say me ntimi ka me hu ni se ni nyina hu hia. Ade bia be ba ma promotion bia koso bia hu hia. Sa na me hu no. Say man for the cars ayi let's speakers see cars so normally go float near ade. So what I say, ni nyina other yeah it me promote. I'm for your street promo and all that. Okay. So we meet me corner DJs no more Spain or outside pubs near there the normal ɔmo kakra na ɔmo bɔ nnwom no ne nyinaa yɛ ade amanfoɔ yɛ so ate ase nti no I think say bibia ho hia wopɛ sɛ ɔnwom blow dia bibia wɔ sɛ
nyimi no nya ne kwan sɛ ɔyɛ sɛ now the new
because yɛkɔyɛ akra promo yɛkɔ baabi a yɛkɔ Giovanni Kodusha den hɔ ne yɛankɔ na ma yɛkɔ baabi a ɛwɔ akra sɛ nka yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ okay yɛbɛyɛ ne social media pɛ but yɛde saa traditional way na yɛdɛ aka ho yɛkɔ wie akra deɛ asa aba yɛ city nso baba bɛyɛ ha deɛ ɛno a yɛkyini ya na mabrɛ kora so ate ase nti no ne nyina ho hia
yɛbɛtie the remix no the third one because that's what's banking na yɛwia mebusa question that we move forward but asma okay na mpɛsɛ mebusa say now the new trend that menim sɛ moahyɛ da na mo pick here but Kumasi based artists mo drop a new project bia na whether a banga whether any banga I don't know mo decide say mo konkran ansa na ma ye no Kumasi as in otena Kumasi na ye no and you see the numbers is pulling, it's massive. I don't know when I'm person more concurrence, and my bad na one shot say hands on my call. Valuta Zimu.
Ya shas.
Valuta.
What's your say? What's your shas? You hatchet. Your shas you hatchet. All the time you're dropping your man. How do you promoting? What you say? And you know, you might perceive system kakra because fans and so kasa. Or mutimi say. Kumasi here na atena. What I say so sometimes you perceive prove each other say no yetimi cross the side and so my so yes so what I say because mon you ebi mo ho mo pay asem na obi mu so a ehun your machine what I say you obi na be pay asem what I say you know ya ba Kumasi ade bia ye kokokoko ye ko hu Kumasi fo ya ade bia ye hu omo aye de nwom ba ye ko hu omo na you know am I feel say yeah, the new project about yes, I call more it's like the same old thing. It's the same kakra.
And yes, say, mo believe say bia or shall see Kumasi and Sanwa Concran. The vibe now Unyana will die out.
I mean, yes, sure.
Unyini say, I say, Jana one crank to confess Jana. Okay. Valuta see
Eja. Say you drop it. It's the original one. Man, call baby out.
Yeah.
Man, call radio station. Bia. Man, call. Baby TV station bia and one epic what you say intinu eja that's right
Kimpaluta zoka eja also who say eja